everyone! Ever wondered how ChatGPT understands your questions and gives you the perfect answer? Or how Siri knows what you mean when you ask, "What's the weather like tomorrow?" Today, we're breaking down 3 AI concepts that power almost every intelligent assistant you use: NLP, NLU, and NLG. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how machines read your mind through text. Let's start with the foundation. NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. Think of NLP as the first step your computer takes to understand human language. It's all about breaking down raw text into something a machine can work with. Imagine you type, "Can you help me book a flight to Paris tomorrow morning?" NLP doesn't care about the meaning yet. Instead, it focuses on the mechanics. First, it breaks the sentence into tokens. That's fancy AI speak for words and punctuation. Second, it tags each word with its part of speech. Third, it performs what we call pre-processing, removing common words like the, and that don't add much value. NLP handles tasks like tokenization, breaking text into words; lemmatization, converting words to their root form, running becomes run; named entity recognition, spotting proper nouns like Paris or tomorrow; sentiment analysis, detecting if text is positive, negative, or neutral; text classification, categorizing text into predefined labels. It's the grunt work. Think of NLP as the librarian who organizes all the books before you even look for one. Now we move to the next level, NLU, or Natural Language Understanding. Here's the key difference. While NLP is mechanical, NLU is intelligent. NLU actually tries to comprehend what you mean. Going back to our example, "Can you help me book a flight to Paris tomorrow morning?" After NLP has tokenized and organized this sentence, NLU steps in and asks, "What does the user actually want?" NLU focuses on intent recognition. It identifies that the user wants to book something. This is the core action. Entity extraction. It pulls out the important details. The destination is Paris, the date is tomorrow, and the time is morning. Context understanding. It recognizes that tomorrow morning refers to a specific time, not just any morning. Semantic analysis. It understands the overall meaning, not just individual words. Here's where it gets powerful. NLU can understand synonyms and variations. Book a flight to Paris. I want to fly to Paris. Get me a ticket to Paris. Reserve a flight for Paris. All of these mean the same thing, even though the words are different. NLU gets that. The computer now knows what the user wants and why they want it. Think of NLU as the person who not only listens to your request, but actually understands your intention. It's the difference between hearing words and comprehending meaning. Finally, let's talk about NLG, Natural Language Generation. This is where the magic happens. After understanding what the user wants, NLG is responsible for crafting a natural, human-like response. Using our example, once NLU figures out you want to book a flight to Paris tomorrow morning, NLG takes over and thinks, "Now, how do I explain the available flights in a way that sounds natural?" NLG does several things: content planning, deciding what information to include. Should we mention weather, prices, layovers? Sentence planning, structuring how to present that information logically. Surface realization, converting the plan into actual English words and sentences. Post-processing, adding finishing touches like proper grammar, punctuation, and tone. Here's where it gets sophisticated. NLG doesn't just spit out facts. It generates responses that sound human-like. Instead of, "Flight exists, departure 8 a.m., destination Paris, price $500, NLG produces, "Great, I found an early morning flight to Paris departing at 8 a.m. for $500. Would you like me to book it for you? Notice how the second response uses natural word order, adds emotional context, great, frames information conversationally, ends with an engaging question. NLG can also vary responses to avoid repetition. Ask the same question twice, and you might get slightly different wordings each time, just like a human would. Think of NLG as the person who not only thinks of an answer, they know exactly how to present it in a way that feels natural and engaging. Now, here's the beautiful part. These three work together in perfect harmony. Step 1, input. You type, "Can you help me book a flight to Paris tomorrow morning?" Step 2, NLP processing. The system breaks this down. Tokenizes, "Can you help me book a flight to Paris tomorrow morning?" Tags parts of speech, removes stop words, prepares the data. Step 3, NLU processing. The system understands intent, book a flight. Entities, destination, Paris. Date, tomorrow. Time, morning. Context, urgent request, specific preferences mentioned. Step 4, NLG response generation. The system crafts a response. Perfect. I found early morning flights to Paris departing tomorrow at 7:30 a.m., 8:15 a.m., and 9 a.m. Which one interests you? It's like a relay race. NLP prepares the baton, NLU figures out where to run, and NLG crosses the finish line with style. Without NLP, there's chaos. The machine can't even parse the input. Without NLU, the machine can't understand what to do. And without NLG, even if the machine knows what to do, it can't communicate it back to you. Let me show you a quick summary of the key differences. The key takeaway: NLP is about breaking down language. NLU is about understanding it. And NLG is about creating it. Let's see this in action with a real chatbot example. Imagine you're chatting with a customer service bot. User types, "I need to cancel my subscription ASAP, it's too expensive." Watch what happens step by step. NLP springs into action, recognizes informal language, tokenizes, "I need cancel subscription ASAP, expensive." Lematizes cancel and canceling both become cancel. Detects sentiment, negative. Keywords, cancel, expensive. NLU takes over. Intent, cancel subscription. Entities, reason, too expensive. Urgency, high. Quantity, subscription. Context, frustrated customer. Confidence, 94%. NLG crafts the response. Instead of intent detected, action, cancel, reason, cost, the bot generates, "I understand you'd like to cancel due to cost concerns. Before you go, I'd love to help you. Would you be interested in our 50% discount plan?" This response shows empathy, acknowledges the specific concern, cost, offers a solution, and uses conversational language. All three working together turned a messy, misspelled user input into a meaningful interaction. Let's look at how this works in actual code using popular Python libraries. See how each stage transforms the input? NLP creates structure, NLU extracts meaning, and NLG produces natural language output. So, to recap, NLP is like a translator who understands the mechanics of language, structure, grammar, and composition. NLU is like a therapist who understands what you really mean beneath your words, your intentions and desires. NLG is like a communicator who can explain complex ideas back to you in a way that feels personal and natural. Together, they power virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, chatbots, customer support, healthcare, translation services, Google Translate, content recommendations, and speech-to-text systems, and so much more. The intersection of these three technologies is what makes AI feel intelligent, responsive, and human-like. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more AI and machine learning content. Drop a comment below. What application of NLP, NLU, and NLG fascinates you the most? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.